Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time on this laptop in BIOS menu. First, power your PC on by holding down the power key and then start pressing F2 button until BIOS menu appears on your screen. Once it does, use right arrow key to select main category right here, and then using the down arrow key you can navigate down and up arrow keys you can navigate between time and date. Now to change the value you can press either F5 to decrease it or F6 to increase it. To go to the next value you have to press enter, and then you can press either F6 to increase the value or F5 to decrease it, and the same goes with for date, so just F5 F6 to increase or decrease this value. And enter to confirm. But be aware that by changing date and time to incorrect ones, you will make many online services unavailable for you. So just make sure that you don't set incorrect time on your PC, because this way you will disable this PC from accessing online services until you reset your date and time to the correct ones. To apply settings, press F10 and then enter to confirm, and to discard changes, press escape and enter to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.